Huh?
Front bumper. Nothing's really wrong with the front, other than the fact it's got to be painted. You can see all these little paint chips and all this other stuff from damage and whatnot. I'm gonna get all this redone. Definitely got to get rid of that. Other than that, front bumper's cool. I think it's, well, my dad kind of pointed this out, but I don't have these holes on my bumper, so we're gonna try to make it fit, see what happens. We're gonna get them painted. All right, so we got the bumpers in the trunk. Well, not really trunk, but in the bed of the truck. And now we're about to hit a few shops and see what prices we can get. Hopefully they got some reasonable, stuff like that, but keep y'all updated. All right, y'all, so we found a shop. We're gonna come back in a couple of days. I'm gonna bring the car. They're gonna paint the bumpers on the car, actually. That way it'll be easier to match the paint. And yeah, we're gonna see how it all comes out. And she's off. Oh. Next time I see her, she gonna be totally different. Hopefully. Good morning, y'all. So it has been officially about 2 weeks since I've had my car. And we're on the way to get it. We're right down the street. Hopefully we're gonna see how it turns out. Just pray that it's great. Paint's matched. The bumpers look good. Yeah, I'm gonna update y'all, let y'all know how it go. There she is. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at, oh my God, I forgot what my car looks like with a bumper. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Look at my baby boy. Oh, perfect. He put the brackets on it. Oh my goodness. She looked brand new. New front bumper, y'all. Woo! In case I noticed, he fiberglass. It was 2 headlight washer holes that was right up here. He put the splitter back on. Well, I wouldn't say splitter, but he put the lip back on. He matched the paint on the lip. She looked brand new, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. She look amazing, man. She looks amazing. Holy shit. Alright, I didn't mention it in the last video, but he matched the fender. I might have an old picture where you'll see the difference in paint. But he matched the fender to the regular paint. Woo! We are back in business. Bumper looks brand new, front and back. Well, technically they are brand new, but you know what I mean. Okay, it hasn't been 2 weeks, it's been 2 days. But it feels like it's been damn near 2 years, if you know what I'm saying. But oh my God, man, it feels so good to be back in this thing. Fuck, bro, I'm happy as shit, bro. I'm happy as fucking shit, man. Oh, it feels great. Ooh, how does she look, y'all? I haven't washed her yet, but she look beautiful to me. Wow. From no bumper to shit looking brand new. Jeez, look at the paint hit. Oh my God, this right here, this looks beautiful. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm so happy I got it fixed up.